How's it going, everyone? I know a lot of people are into prop firms, and I want to discuss future prop firms and one that I really recommend, which is going to be Topstep. After much research, been around the longest. It's been having the best payouts. So, I mean, I'm looking at Topstep right now. If you guys just don't have the funds, and let's just say you only need $50, it'd probably be better just to buy a trading combine of 50K from Topstep. And let me show you guys a strategy that can boost your confidence. And I'll be alerting these kind of plays in my Discord if you want to join. But so futures is going to be the same thing as SPY. As you can see, when we look at this is ES. It's the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So it's going to be the same thing that we see on SPY. So if you look at this chart, you very clearly see on the 3-minute we're going to use that we see an upper band touch. So if we go on Webull and we type in SPY, look how accurate you're going to see. Right in here, same type of pattern. You have the 3-minute touching the upper band and nothing else. So if we go on here, you see nothing else is touched but this 3-minute right up in here. So, and this is what I want to show you guys. I know on TradingView, I'm pretty sure it's going to be delayed data. You can use just SPY and placing your trades based on what the futures are going to be because they operate the same way, just different price. So, yeah, so if you're going to do something and you just don't have a lot of money and you want to have a strat that works, do futures. It's only $50 for a 50K balance, and if you pass that challenge, you get 50K balance to trade with. And I really think anybody can pass this challenge. Let me show you guys the strategy. If you guys want to learn more about it and get your chart set up, this is just to show you the strategy. Definitely join my Discord. I mean, $12 a month, you get access to all my resources, day trades, swing trades, with an over 95% win ratio. But this video is to help people who don't have a lot of money. And how do you pass these prop firms? Because a lot of people think they're insanely hard. But after much research, I think anybody can pass a prop firm. As long as you're patient, have a strategy, and do proper risk management, you'll be totally fine. So here's the S&P 500 minis. When price gets close to the upper band on a 3-minute, price tends to fall back really fast. You tend to have a reversion mean. So if you look at my lines, I have the EMA 5 is the purple, EMA 10 is the yellow, and the EMA 20 is this blue. Price has to go back to this blue line here. It has to. It will. It's a guarantee. It doesn't have to go back to that price as at the specified time, but it will do it on a very fast time frame because it's only a 3-minute. It'll take longer on a 5-minute, 10-minute, 30-minute, and so. So what we do is we look at the 3-minute, we look at the trend. We have a thing right in here. Right in here, you can find a regression trend, and you can go from the lows to the high, and you can clearly see, well, what is the trend, and are we at that upper trend? And we can look for a sell signal when we hit the upper trend with an ATR4. And as you can see right in here, you accumulate down for the downside. And just these couple candles here, you could have made massive money. And that's really all you needed, right? So that was a very, very nice gain right there. And also what I do is I use the 1-minute to make sure it's, the most precise. So you use the 3-minute and the 1-minute. And if you can see on the 1-minute, you can see why we don't just take it straight away. But, you could have made some money on it. But this was the proper entry up in here because that's where the 3-minute was aligned with the 1-minute. And as you can see on our trend channel, we started hitting the upper trend right in here. That could have been a massive gain. So I just want to show you guys this. I don't want to go into much, but as you can see, it's a very, very nice strategy. The 3-minute has been properly just been awesome here. Like right in here, back in 836, you can see we get very close to the lower band and we just start pumping from there. And you'll see it very, very often. Once there's a lot of time distance, you don't just take it if there's no time distance. When you get that time distance, you would have to look at the 1-minute too. Make sure both the 1-minute and the 3-minute are touching that trend channel and near these ATR4 bands. And you'll be totally fine and you'll pass these prop firm challenges like it's nothing. See right in here, you wouldn't take it just right away because there's not much time distance. You want to get a nice length away from this EMA 20. Yes, you could have made some money, but you want to make sure you take the best setups. So right in here, I definitely would have taken it. Not too bad. You got some time distance. You get very gradually close. And look what happens. You shoot up to the EMA 20. Look right here. Near ATR4, shoot up to the EMA 20. Now, if you guys want many, many, many signals, you could do the 1 minute. And just base it on a 1 minute trend, but you got to be in and out of these type of trades. These are going to be not as you could have some fake signals on these. Like right in here, this was a fake signal. If you just base it on the 1 minute, there was very little room down. So what I would do for the 1 minute, let's say market opens at 9:30. Where all the volatility goes. Futures are open much earlier. I understand that. So what we would do is we would draw a trend and see, okay, where is our resistance and supports and all that. So as you can see right in here, doing these candles, we could very clearly see, we have the upper trend here, so we could have some nice resistance there. And as you can see, when we hit this upper trend, what happens is price comes back down and it comes back in this channel. You could easily do that if you want to. If you're not at the ATR4, you just want to do a trend channel, and yes, that would work because you just scalp these things. So here's the trend here. As you can see, price is in a nice trend. You're hitting the ups and the bottoms. So what you do is you would short when price gets close to the trend on the upper trend channel. So it goes back down. As you hit this upper trend, it goes back down. Look at these nice little points you could be scalping. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. And the more you do it, you can just keep making money and money and money. That's if you want a lot of signals. My highest recommendation is do it on the 3 minute. Be patient. As you can see, when the 3 minute gets very close to the ATR4, you get really, really solid signals. And then obviously use the 1 minute to make sure you're close to it. And this was a massive alert down. Very, very nice alert down. Would have made, we went from 5,385 and we went all the way down and went to 5,354. Very nice. But yeah, if you guys are struggling to pass your prop firms, definitely join my Discord. I'm going to show you guys how to set up this chart, how to use it. This was a brief scenario on how to use trend reversals and the band strategy. It's a very nice strategy. Anybody can do it. If you don't have a lot of money, well, maybe I was thinking maybe you guys should do futures. Prop firms, you only need $50, and so this will probably be your best way. And you can even go on Webull or whatever platform, because I know TradingView will charge a data fee. If you just don't have a lot of money, you can use the same thing. Webull will be real time. You can see, well, when SPY gets over here, the futures are going to be the same thing. We saw the 3 minute penetrate and we come tumbling down, and that was the same data that futures were. So you could see this on your screen and have your buy and sell on Topstep and execute your orders that fast, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, join the Discord. I promise you won't regret it. The link's going to be down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. We're going to have how to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, and if you have an Android, you will have to do it on a computer because sometimes there's it's having an issue on Discord. So but it's even better if you do it on the computer because you avoid the iOS fee. So do keep that in mind. So if you go into the top left on the server shop here, you'll see how to trade like a pro. We have swing trading and day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus is what we talked about. That is your in and out, make massive gains with a high probability system of winning over 95% of your trades. If you do the 3-minute, 1-minute conjunction trades with the ATR4s and reversions to the mean, which is the EMAs. So $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, it'll be a flat rate 12. If you do it on your phone through the app, it will charge you a little more. So do try to do it on a computer. If you're using an Android, try to do it on your phone browser or computer, and you'll be fine. And what you're going to get is you're going to get access to day trading education, which is all this, day trade alerts, which I'm mainly going to be doing SPY and all that, and then even futures, which is the same thing. If I'm alerting SPY, well, futures is the same thing, and I'm thinking about putting a prop firm channel just for the people that just don't have a lot of money and need to do a trading combine. I have no doubt everyone can pass their prop firm account. I have no doubt you guys can do it. This strategy works insane. Not everyone has this access, but as long as you're patient, you'd be like, okay, where are we at on the ATR4? Where are we at on the reversion to the mean? and you're just looking at all these things. Where's the trend channel? And then you say, okay, 3 minutes here. Now we look at the 1 minute and we get that reversion to the mean. If you guys want to join, you're going to see my day trade alerts, day trade chat. I even do live streams. We can go over live doing these actual results, and you can see me doing the prop firm challenge. I'm going to do a prop firm challenge with you guys just to show you guys this is very easily beatable. I mean, I know these rules are strict, but they do it for your risk management and all that. You don't want to go too low. You don't want to lose too much money, and then you get stop loss. So this is the best strategy to do it with. So I hope you guys do join the Discord. It's only $12 a month to access all my education, live streams included with alerts, and just a solid community, guys. So I'll post the link down below in the YouTube comments and description. You can join anytime. I think you guys are going to like this strategy. And if you guys did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about prop firms doing the futures. I think Topstep is one of my favorites just because of the years they've been in business. So yeah, I'm gonna prove that, and hope to see you guys there. And happy trading next week.